Have you ever faced this situation where you try to log into your social media or any other account, and the website shows an error saying username or password is incorrect? So you try to reset the password by sending reset links to your email. But it's really hard to do and takes a lot of time. In real life, we all use hundreds of accounts like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, PayPal, and so on. If you have 50 accounts, you need a password for each of them. What most people do is reuse the same password for multiple accounts. You might think that's really easy, right? But here's the problem. If even one of those accounts gets hacked and your password is leaked, hackers can try the same password on your other accounts. For example, if someone gets your Facebook password, they will probably try to log into your YouTube, PayPal, or even your bank accounts with the same password. Now you can understand the risk of using the same password for different accounts. So maybe you're thinking, I'll just create a unique password for every account I use. Sure, you can create 100 unique passwords, but it's almost impossible to remember them all. A strong password usually needs numbers, letters, capital letters, and symbols. That makes it secure, but also very hard to memorize. Then maybe you think, I'll just save all my passwords in a text file. But that's not safe either. If someone gets access to that file, they can easily steal all your passwords. That's extremely risky. This is where SimplePass comes in. SimplePass is a password management software that helps you avoid all these problems. Let me explain how it works. First, you download and install the software by clicking on the setup file. Once installed, you'll see the SimplePass icon on your desktop. Open it by clicking the icon, and it will ask for a master password. You should set a strong master password and remember it. This is the only password you'll ever need to remember, because SimplePass will handle the rest. After entering your master password, you'll see a simple dashboard. This dashboard is where you manage all your other passwords. Here's how it works. Imagine you create a Facebook account and it asks you to set a password. Instead of making one up, you open SimplePass and click the Add button at the top. A pop-up window will appear. In the first field, enter the website name, for example, Facebook. In the next field, type the username you use for your Facebook account. In the password field, you can click Generate, and SimplePass will create a strong password for you. Copy and paste that password into Facebook's password section. If you want, you can also leave a simple note. Finally, click Save. Now your Facebook login details are safely stored. Next time you want to log in, just open SimplePass, copy the saved password, and paste it. That's it. You can add as many accounts as you want. If you ever want to change your master password, you can easily do it in the settings. There are also some extra useful features you'll discover inside. If you want to download the tool, I'll leave the link in the description. So guys, that's the end of today's video. If you've used this password manager before, share your experience in the comments. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos.